Good morning, students. Exercise 3.4, sum number 3. X plus A, X plus B, X plus C equal to X cube plus 14X square plus 59X plus 70. Find the value of A plus B plus C, 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Subdivision 3, A square plus B square plus C square. Subdivision 4, A by BC plus B by CA plus C by AB. This 4 subdivision we need to find, right? So this is given sum x plus A, x plus B, x plus C equal to some function is given. So I return this one, x plus A, x plus B, x plus C equal to x cube 14x square 59x plus 70, right? So we are having the formula x plus A, x plus B, x plus C, x cube plus A plus B plus C into x square plus AB plus BC plus CA x plus ABC. This is original formula. Already we are having the algebraic identities. So x plus A, x plus B, x plus C equal to first x cube, then x square, then x constant term. That is without variable of x. X cube, A plus B plus C into x square, AB, BC plus CA, x plus ABC. So this is number 1, this is number 2. Given sum is number 1, I take. Given this 2 is formula. That's all. So comparing one and 2, we get, comparing means x plus A, same thing only. So for x cube. So I compare the coefficient of x square. Here on x square, here on x square, near is what? 14. Here near is what? A plus B plus C. So comparing these two equations, A plus B plus C equal to 14. That is what? Subdivision 1. So subdivision 1 we are getting A plus B plus C equal to 14. They are asking also what? What is A plus B plus C? Right. And then 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C. Yeah. So, and also comparing this coefficient of x. Here on x, here on x. So x near is what? AB plus BC plus CA. Are you right here? First you compare the 1 and 2. AB plus BC plus CA equal to 59. Right. And then the last term, constant term, here also without x we are having. So ABC equal to 70. ABC equal to 70. Now subdivision 1. What we need to find? A plus B plus C. Straightly we are getting the answer. A plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C equal to 14. Subdivision 2. 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C. This one we have to find means we have to form the equation. So see the denominator, different variables we are having. So we need to take the LCM. Directly take the LCM means A, B, C is the LCM for A, B, C. Because listen, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Like this they are given the number means what is the LCM? 2 into 3, 3 into 5, 15 is the LCM. Because you need to put like this 3, 2, 3, 5. The three numbers are prime numbers. So we can't take the LCM. The same thing we are getting, right? So this is separate table. This 3 is not come. The 2 table, 5 also. Both are prime numbers, right? So like this we are having means the LCM is what? 2 into 3 into 5, 15. Same thing. A into B into C. Now A into B into C means numerator is what? Listen carefully. A, B, C is the LCM for this. In numerator we are having 1, open on bracket. In numerator we are having 1, open on bracket. The new method. Here A, B, C, in denominator is what? A. Here A, B, C. So what remaining number is what? BC. So here we need to put BC, right? Now here B, here ABC. So remaining number is what? AC. Or what is the now problem is A into BC is what? ABC. B into AC is what? ABC. C into AB, we are getting ABC. So what number you are having in the denominator, multiple it to the numerator, we are getting the denominator, that is LCM. So listen, A into BC, ABC. B into AC, ABC. C into AB, ABC. Like that we have to find. So again I am saying, for this ABC LCM means ABC only. In numerator we are having 1, open on bracket, open, open. A, here ABC. What value we are putting? We are getting this ABC. So A into BC. A into BC, ABC. B into AC, ABC. That is remaining terms. Another method, here C we are having, here also C. So remaining is what? AB. So AB we are getting. Right? So like that we have to take the LCM. This equal to BC plus AC plus AB by ABC. So this is AB plus BC plus CA. This equal to, I arrange in the order means AB plus BC plus CA by 2 means AB plus BC plus CA is what? 59. 59 by 2. This is the answer, right? So subdivision 3, A square plus B square plus C square. A square plus B square plus C square. Here we are having only A plus B plus C, AB plus BC plus CA, ABC equal to 70. So A square plus B square plus C square, this equal to so here what I am doing, A plus B plus C whole square equal to what? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. This formula we are having. A plus B plus C whole square equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA we are having. So here the question is, this is the question they are asking. We need to find A square plus B square plus C square. So this one will be there, that is A square plus B square plus C square. So this also same place, A plus B plus C whole square. This term and all we take this side means, listen, it will confuse means, straightly you write A plus B plus C whole square. This 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA, I bring this side means minus 2AB minus 2bc minus 2ca equal to a square plus b square plus c square. Now a plus b plus c whole square, I take 2 as common, minus also I take as common, ab plus bc plus ca equal to a square plus b square plus c square. A plus b plus c equal to what? 14. 14 square minus 2 into ab plus bc plus c is what? 59. A square plus b square plus c square. 14 square, 13 square, 169. 14 square, 4 into 4, 16, 1. 4 into 4 ones are 4, 5. 196. 14 square, 196. 196 minus 59 into 2, 118 equal to a square plus b square plus c square. 196 minus 118. 8, 16, here 8, 7, 78 is the answer here. So, therefore, a square plus b square plus c square equal to 78. Right? So, we are asking this one means we have to find what? We have the formula a plus b plus c whole square. Using that formula, we have to find this one. Right, and then subdivision 3, subdivision 4. A by BC, B by CA plus C by AB. So this is equal to BC, CA, AB. So 2 times B, 2 times C, 2 times A. So each time we have to take 1 time. ABC is the LCM. The common LCM is the least common multiple ABC only, LCM. So in numerator we are having A, I put on bracket B plus C. Now here BC, here ABC, BC remaining terms are A. So A we have to put, that is BC into A, ABC we are getting. CA, here what? CA, remaining terms are B, that is B. AB means remaining terms are C. So A square plus B square plus C square by ABC. Now only you are finding A square plus B square plus C square is 78. ABC equal to 70 to 39 times, to 35 times. This is the answer for this subdivision 4 also.